Tips on Tap, crafting financial solutions for over 65 years.
Cheers, I'm Ryan, the branch manager at Arvada for OnTap. And for today's Tips on Tap, let's discuss how to make a payment to the credit union. Our members can bank at any of our more than 5,000 credit union shared branching partners. Just visit the locations section of our website, www.ontapcu.org, to find those locations. We realize, though, that with recent events, some branches may have limited their shared banking options. Therefore, there are still numerous ways that you can make a payment. One of the easiest ways that you can make a payment is to transfer funds from your OnTap checking or savings account using our online banking or mobile banking and simply select Move Money. However, if you need to pay from a non-OnTap account, you still have a variety of options available to you. You can mail your payments for any loan except for mortgages to OnTap Credit Union at 816 Washington Avenue, Golden, Colorado 80401. Also, our Golden drive-thru is open to accept payments. You can also make an auto payment using the website under Resources Account Services. You can also do an online ACH transfer, also known as Automated Clearinghouse, or bill pay from other financial institutions following their steps. Online transfer, mail, or drive-thru are all easy ways and great ways to still make payments, and you can just contact us if you need us to guide you further through any of these steps. Cheers!
Thanks for joining Tips on Tap. We'll see you next time.